We're going to talk about a couple of features on some caulk guns that people may not be familiar with. These are a couple of the different guns that we use. But when you get your tube of sealant, it has a little tip on it, and so you're looking for a knife or pair of scissors or something to cut that. Well, these guns actually have a little knife built into them. Most of them do. So you put the tip in there, squeeze that, and that cuts the tip off the tube. And here you see the little handle there. So whether you use it to cut the tip off the tube or not is up to you, but don't put a finger in there. Then once the tip's cut, the little seal inside the tube, you need to look for something to puncture it. And most of the guns come with the puncture tool. That's hidden somewhere on the gun. This one's right here. This one's right here. So there's a couple little things that we may or may not have known about.